The only way to change your level of financial success is to reset your financial thermostat. So think about visualizing, right? So most people, they believe the success of their business depends on skills and knowledge or timing, but that's not true. How well your business does is a direct result of what you believe your money mindset is, because you'll always validate that. You will always validate that. If you believe you can't afford things, you can't afford things. If you believe you can afford things and you just have to figure out how, you will be able to afford those things. Because your income and your wealth can only grow to the extent that you do.